What's up, my makeup slayers? My name is Eve. What am I going to do on this video? How about an unboxing? It's going to be the Boxycharm Premium Box and then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now I'm going to start with the Boxycharm Premium. This is going to be $40 a month, and I am not sponsored by this. I buy this box myself. Now before I grab the first item, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Now I'm going to be reading off of notes because I have tried this, so I do know if I like it or I hate it. The first item is going to be the Bite Beauty, and it's going to be the Changemaker Foundation. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. I got the shade L20, and this is going to be medium coverage. And they say that it looks skin-like, and I don't agree with that. When I was using on its own, I could see it. It looked like makeup on my face. I did not like it. And at the end of the day, it was way too oily. I have dry skin, and then that says a lot if a foundation looks too oily. I do work in the hot Florida sun, so that is something I do ask a lot from it. But if I'm going to love a foundation, it has to act a certain way. So how I found this works: you take this foundation, and then I mix it with the Soft Matte by NARS. I put a few drops in this, and that's what I'm wearing on my face today. I have been wearing this foundation for 5 hours, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. That's how I'm going to continue to use this, is mixing it in with a matte foundation. Absolutely beautiful. And this is going to be $44 right over here for the Bite Beauty foundation. The second item in the box is going to be the Biro, and it's the Fig Dry Oil. This puppy is going to cost you $72. Yes, that's a lot of money. Yes, I did not like this whatsoever. You heard me right. I hated this. And I like a lot of things by this brand. So I'm going to go ahead and show you, because the one thing about it is gorgeous packaging. I use this in my AM and my PM skincare. It did not work for me. The other thing is, I just dropped it. So the other thing is the scent. It has a lot of spice, and then it has a mildew scent mixed in with it. Did not like it at all. Did not want to use it on my face, because like I said, it did not work on any of my routines. So I thought, what would a dry oil be good for? My legs. It's far away from my nose, and I like that dry oil texture on my legs. So I tried it, and I absolutely love it. So I'll be finishing it off on my legs. Would I ever rebuy this? Absolutely not. I'm not hating on the brand by Biro. I love their essence toners. Absolutely wonderful. Their tomato serum. Absolutely wonderful. Love that. I just don't like that item. Now the third item. When I say I fell head over heels for this mascara, that's going to be an understatement. This is my new Holy Grail mascara. It is breathtaking. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. It's pretty gold packaging. Now, a few things about this. This replaced my Holy Grail mascara. This is what it replaced. I use this like crazy. It was almost time to buy a new one. I was dreading the price tag of replacing this. I don't want it anymore, because this Stila blows it out of the water. It is absolutely gorgeous. It gives me beautiful long lashes that are absolutely breathtaking. This is a winner, and this is going to be in my arsenal from here on out. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's cheaper than my old Holy Grail. Let me put this away. Now I'm going to go for the fourth item. I kind of laughed when I saw the size of it, because it's very small for a bronzer. This is the Viseart bronzer, and this is going to cost you $30. It's very blendable. It's a gorgeous color. It's not too warm. And it's small, but it's amazing. And the other feature I like, that you can take the pan out. So you can see that. So I absolutely love this. The color it gives me, like I said, I'm wearing this on my face today, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I can see myself rebuying this because it's so pretty. On fair skin, it's hard to find bronzers that look so good on the skin like this does. This is one of them. It's small, but it's mighty. That is going to be $30. Now on the mascara, I don't think I said the price of it, so I'm going to touch base on that before I move on, because I'm not positive. That Stila mascara that I talked about is $23. So just in case I didn't cover it, I'm going to cover it now. All right, the next item, the fifth item in the box, is going to be these sponges. It's a 2-pack and it's going to be for $34. This is the one that I used and I tried. I didn't try this one, but you can see the size. They're huge when they're wet. It started this size and this is how big it gets. It's massive if you see how big it is to my face. Now, they're okay. I think there's better options for cheaper at the drugstore. The L'Oreal sponge, absolutely amazing. The Real Techniques, absolutely amazing. I think it blows this out of the water. I don't see the price tag on this. It is extremely low quality. I can see that as I wash it. I wash this 4 times and I don't know if it can pick it up, but it's starting to age right over here on the side of it. With washing it only 4 times, I expect more out of a sponge. And for $34, $17 each, $17 for this, I don't think it's worth it. I will use it because it was in this box, but would I go and purchase this outright out of my own pocket? Absolutely not. Now I'm going to go for the last item of the box, and it's going to be the Evo 2-pack lip pencils. I saw this. I don't mind. This is something that you're going to have to sharpen. And I was disappointed when I saw this. I went over, great, another lip pencils, because Boxycharm likes to put lip pencils and eye pencils in here. So I went over, I was like, all right, I'm going to try this. I fell head over heels over this. This is so creamy. Now with my lips, I have very, very dry lips. If it's not extremely creamy, it will crumble up and fall off my lips, or it will accentuate texture on my lips, which is not good and not what I want. So a lot of pencils do not work for my dry lips. This is so creamy and it looks beautiful on the lips. I've worn this just as lipstick. I put it on, put a little gloss in the middle. It looked absolutely to die for. I'm in love with these. These are not that expensive. They're $24 for the both of them, so they're $12 each. That's not too much for the quality you're getting for this. This is an amazing quality in a lip pencil. And let me make sure I covered everything. Yeah, long lasting, absolutely creamy. I will definitely rebuy this. I never heard of this brand, but with how this knocked my socks off, I'm going to be looking more into this brand because the quality for the price, superb. Now, the value of this box, when I take all 6 items, it is going to be $227. I think the box was worth it for me. I loved a lot of items on here. There was one thing I really couldn't stand, and that was the dry oil. I made it work with working on my legs, and the sponges were nah, but was paying $40 a month and finding a new Holy Grail mascara. I absolutely think that this box is worth it. Absolutely loved it. So glad I got it. Now I'm about to go into the second box. We're going to be unboxing, unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to go ahead and show you the bag that it comes with because it is absolutely gorgeous. This is going to be a blush pink with gold stars on it. So I'm definitely going to keep this bag. This bag is going to cost you $28 a month. Again, I am not sponsored. I just want you to know the facts. I have my notes again about these products because I have tried and tested them. So I know if I love them or I hate them. The first item is going to be the Clarity RX, and this is a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. I absolutely love this. I think this did an amazing job. When you first put this on, it's going to be sticky until it dries. Once it dries, the stickiness will go away. Now, this is why I would not buy it. This is $72. When back in the day, it was hard to get a good hyaluronic serum here in America. Now it's available everywhere. So on the market, there is a lot of good ones for a lot cheaper. So I would not rebuy this one, but if you have dry skin, there's plenty to choose from. I wouldn't pay the $72 on this, but now that it's in the bag, absolutely. Am I going to finish this up? Because it is a wonderful serum. Now we're going to another product I don't think is needed. This is going to be the Elemis, and it's the Peptide Eye Cream. I have purchased in the past, twice actually, and this is a very good eye cream if you're looking for an eye cream. The reason why I like it is it's not heavily fragrant. It has peptides in it, which helps with anti-aging. It soaks up in the skin, so that's why I like this a lot. If I ever go into eye creams again, this is a brand I would go and get this eye cream from. It's an amazing eye cream. If you like that. I just use a moisturizer that I use all over my face underneath my eyes. It does a perfect job. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. It is a large amount of eye cream. This is going to take you a while to get through. This costs you $49. So if you're interested in eye creams, like I said, if it comes in boxes, I absolutely use it underneath my eyes. I just don't shell out the cash from my wallet to buy one because I don't think it's necessary. I know that's controversial. Some people think eye creams are important. I just don't. It may change. I am getting older, but right now, no. Now, the third item is going to be the Psalm Institute. I've heard a lot of people talk about this brand, and they say nothing but wonderful things. So that this popped in my box, I was excited to try it, and it did not let me down. This was an amazing warming mask. It left my skin extremely hydrated. I like the look at my skin when I take a mask off, and it looked perfect with this. I loved how it looked. The clarity of my skin, I looked brighter. It was very nice. Now, why do you use a warming mask? It opens up your pores. The warmth of it, that's what opens it up, and it really soaks in the good ingredients of this. So I absolutely love this, and because I did, I'm going to be looking into their brand to buying more of their products. This is going to cost you $45. Now, the fourth item I own and I absolutely love. I do not curl my hair unless I have this in my arsenal. I like a lot of things in this line, and this is the Verb Ghost Prep. I'm going to go and show it to you. Now that says it's a weightless moisture, I absolutely agree with that. It's a heat protectant, absolutely agree with that. And it's frizz control, absolutely agree with that. If you can see my hair, that's what I used on my hair today. Whenever I curl my hair, I throw this on before I do it, and my hair looks amazing. My hair is a type of hair when you curl it, if I don't use the correct product, the curl just falls out. And then it looks like I did not do anything with my hair. With this, it does not do that. I will not be without this. This will always be in my arsenal because it is that amazing. And this one is only $18 for this big tube. This is 4 ounces, so that's a lot for the amount of money that you pay for that. So absolutely love that. Now I have another eye cream. The reason why I have another eye cream is because the choices in this month absolutely sucked. Did not like it. The other options, it was not for me, so I went with another one. So this is going to be the, I'm going to probably butcher this name, the Maydar Lim, and it's a quinoa and vitamin C eye cream. The thing I did not like about this was light underneath the eyes, but I have kind of sensitive eyes, so putting underneath, my eyes did water a little bit. Because this is high fragrance, I don't know what they were thinking with it going underneath the eyes to have that much fragrance in an eye cream. You shouldn't have that much in it, if any at all. So I would not repurchase this. This is $39, and the only reason why I picked this up is because the choices sucked. Like I said, I wouldn't have gotten this because I already have it if there was a better option. I love it. I'm glad I have it. But the options of this month, I was not happy with it. The hyaluronic acid just came on it. I think they could have did better on that. So there was a few issues. So like I said, this box was a value of $223. I did not think it was worth let me see the price on it that I paid. The $28, because the things that I was extremely happy that I had in here was this. This is the only thing I was extremely happy. I was happy to get this, but I already had it. I would have liked to try something new for you guys to review to see if I like it, because you've seen me talk about this. I've raved about it in my hair care video. So this I already had. So this is the only thing that I was extremely happy that I got. So no, I don't think that this bag was worth it to me. The $223, not worth it. I didn't see the value in this. 2 eye creams in a bag, that's a bit excessive. So I would have liked more options for the choices. I think that they need to rework their program because this was not it. I want more when I'm spending the $28 a month, and especially that they raised the price of it to just recently from $25. So that is my review of these unboxings. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. The next video that I will be doing is going to be the Boxycharm, and it's going to be the Luxe box. I'm right now trying all the products out so I can give you the same kind of review as this one. So I look forward for you to check it out. I'm gonna grab my co-star real quick. Come here, Sugar Bear. Come.
Jump.
Good girl. All right, let's say bye to all our people. Come on, let's say bye to all our friends. Bye, guys.